In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get max speed in uTorrent. Before we start, a quick note. Always use torrents legally and responsibly, and remember that your actual speed also depends on your internet plan, the health of the torrent, and network conditions. With that in mind, let's optimize the app so you consistently get the best possible performance. Begin by opening uTorrent on your computer. Keeping the app up to date helps with stability and speed, so if you haven't updated in a while, consider doing that first. Once uTorrent is open, look to the top left and click Options, then open Preferences. This is where the most important speed settings live. In the Preferences window, go to the Connection section. You'll see the field for the port used for incoming connections. Choosing a high, less commonly used port can reduce conflicts and improve connectivity with peers. Type in a value between 50000 and 65000, or simply click Random Port to let uTorrent pick one for you. The goal is to ensure other peers on the network can reach you reliably, which is essential for faster downloads. While you're still in the connection section, enable UPnP port mapping and enable NATPMP port mapping. These features ask your router to automatically open the necessary port for uTorrent, which is often the quickest and safest way to get proper incoming connections without manual router configuration. If your router supports these protocols, turning them on usually pays off in better peer availability and more consistent speeds. Next, switch to the bandwidth section. Here, set your global upload rate to about 70 to 80% of your real upload speed. This is critical. If you allow uTorrent to use all your upload, it can choke your connection and actually slow downloads. If you're not sure of your upload speed, run a reliable internet speed test first. Remember that uTorrent expects kilobytes per second. For example, if your upload is 10 megabits per second, that's roughly 1250 kilobytes per second. 70 to 80% would be around 875 to 1000 kilobytes per second. Enter a value in that range and leave some headroom so your connection stays responsive. After applying these changes, click OK to save. From here, monitor an active torrent for a few minutes to let connections stabilize. Keep in mind that well-seeded torrents, a stable internet line, and avoiding heavy simultaneous network use will all help you realize the full benefit of these settings. That's it. With the right port, automatic port mapping, and a properly tuned upload rate, uTorrent can reach its maximum speed much more consistently. Thanks for watching and happy downloading legally and safely.